If you want to generate consistent characters for your videos, then you need the right tools for this. If your character keeps changing in every scene of your videos, then you need to draw back and listen to me, because in this video I'm going to show you how to generate consistent and unlimited images for free without paying a dime. The first thing you need is to access Google AI Studio. If you don't have account, just go to Google AI Studio and sign up. It is totally free. So to save you time, I already dropped the link in the description. Just go check it out after watching this video. Once you sign in, you will see the different models. Don't get confused. The one we are focusing on is called Nano Banana. That is the model that has proven to be really good at keeping characters consistent. So now let me warn you, this step is very important. Many people just type anything inside and expect results. So that's why their characters keep changing. The secret is in the prompt you give the AI. So if your prompt is weak or not clear enough, your result will be messy. And the right tool is also very important. Let me show you with an example. I will drop one of my own prompts here. If you also want to access this prompt and all the others I use, link is in the description as well. So here is what I will type into Nano Banana. So I will wait a few seconds for it to process while it is loading. So let me remind you, if you are learning something already, just take that seconds of waiting for the image to like this video. So it encourages me to make more tutorials for you. Now let's check the result. So this is the lady Nano Banana created for me. So exactly what I was expecting. Her face look natural, her features are clear, and I like her overall look. So the first thing you must do when you get a character is to save it immediately. So immediately you get a character that you like, save it immediately. Don't lose it, because we are going to use it again to make sure the face stays the same in different situations. Now here is the part most people skip. You don't just tell the AI to make another picture. You must be specific. Watch how I do it. This is my next prompt. Make her sit on an old wooden chair, smiling softly in a room filled with sunlight, and keep her face exactly the same. Did you notice the last part? I didn't just describe the scene, I clearly told the AI to keep her face intact. So that is the magic line, and here is the result side by side with the first one. Look at it carefully. The same face, same person, just a new scene. If you show this to somebody else, they won't even argue with you. Alright, so let's push it further. I will change the scene again. This time I type make her stand up from the chair and stand near the window, keep her face exactly the same. The result comes out, and honestly I am impressed. The chair is still there, the room hasn't changed, only the character's action. She moved from sitting to standing, and her face is still identical to the first one. So this shows Nano Banana is not just consistent with the face, but also with environment around the character. So that is something most AI image tools cannot do. That is it. If you stick to this step and this tool, you will never complain about inconsistent characters again. Click on one of the videos showing on your screen right now. If you found this video helpful, don't just disappear. Hit the like button, and of course subscribe so that you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.